Hey guys, I'm Aditya Thakur and welcome to Get Set Code by Newton School. In this video, we'll talk about scope in Python. So a variable is only available inside the scope it is created in. So it is the region where you create a variable and it would only be accessible there. So if you were working with any other programming language that basically uses curly braces, so a Python declared within those curly braces would only be available there. But since Python does not use curly brace, we only use indentation. So it is important to note how local scope, global scope works in Python, and that is what we'll be taking up today in this video. So let's get started. And before we go into it, a quick introduction to Newton School. It is a platform which prepares you for your career intake. So they have courses designed for freshers, for working professionals, and also for women with no tech background. And Newton School would first train you for 6 months, help you become an amazing full stack developer. They also have a network of 300 plus great companies who recruit from them. So after like your training is done, they'll ensure that you get placed in the best companies in the country. And the best part is they have like a pay after placement program, so you don't have to pay anything until and unless you are placed 5 lakh CTC. About the Launchpad initiative, it's basically for people who want to start coding from scratch. So they have like videos available on the Launchpad section where you can also practice several quizzes, and this is all absolutely for free. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go over to newtonschool.co. Here, if you do not already have an account, you can quickly sign up. Since I already do have one, I'll just log into my account. Now this should take some time, but after I'm logged in, I need to go over to the playground section, and here go over to the playground section, go down to algorithm playground and create a new playground. You can open an existing one, but I'll just create a new one for this video. And what you need to do is basically select a compiler. Now you need since we have been working with Python, so I'll go for Python 3.8.1 and go over to code. So now I have the code here, custom input and output here. So what we are doing today is basically talking about scope. First, we'll talk about local scope in Python. So a variable created inside a function is only available inside that particular function. And what I'll do is I'll quickly create a new function. So let me say define. Let me just name it new function, right? And it will have like empty brackets since we are not using any parameters for now. And I can create a variable a inside this which can have a value like 600, and then go over to the next line and I can print out this variable print a, right? And that is like a normal function which has a variable a, and it just does printing out, like it has only one function which is print. Now I can call this new function, as in I'll just type in new function, pass no parameters to it, and there you have it. Like this is not like a normal call. So if I run this program now, what should happen is basically it will print out 600 to console. This function is called, the control goes over it like assigns 600 to a and prints it out. If I try to access it outside, let me just type in print a. Let's see if this runs. Now we are getting an error, and the error would say name error, a is not defined. Since a is only available in the local scope of the function, it is not available outside. That is why a is not defined, and that is why we are getting the error. So one possible solution to this could be like defining a variable a here that can have some value like 300. So if I run this program right now, let me just run it, and you'll get two outputs. One would be 300 and one would be 600. Now why is this happening is basically the a variable defined here is of global scope. So it is globally available to all functions, right? And since it is defined outside this function, when we print this a outside, it prints out this 300 to console, right? And after that we call this new function. So this define new function, I'm keeping it here, it might get a little bit confusing, so I'll just take it out here, right? So now you would understand it better, as in a is 300 and it gets printed out first, and then we have defined this new function which has a value as 600 and it prints out a. And basically what happens is when we call this new function right here, it should print out 600 to console. So this a is different from this a, even though they have like the same name. This is why, because like a function, a variable created inside like a function, uh, like two separate variables are available. One is outside the function and one is available in the local scope inside the function. This inside one is different from the one that is available outside. Now, as I said, like the global variables are accessible to all functions, right? So why is this not happening? Why is this a different from the one that we have? So if I wanted to access this a here, what I needed to do was I needed to use the global keyword, and I needed to type in global a. Let me just run this program once, and you'll now notice like both the values are 300, because now with the global variable, what is happening, this variable a that is being accessed here is the one that we have available globally. Therefore, this first print statement also prints out 300, and this new function call also prints out value of the global variable as 300. So that is how it works. Basically, a variable that is defined inside a function would only be available inside that function, right? A variable that you will declare globally would be available to all functions, but you will have to use the global keyword. If, and one more thing that we learned was, even if like I create a variable inside this a equals to 600, so this variable is different from the one that we have outside, because this is locally available to this function and you can keep any value of it. So these are like the 3 points that we learned today. And so Python treats the variable even though they have the same name differently. One is available locally, one is available globally. So these are all the 3 points that we got to learn today in the video about scope. Now you can experiment by creating different variables and checking if they work outside. So if I create a variable abc text file and I want to define a new function that is print abc, right? So can I access and print this abc from here? Let us try running this program, but first we'll have to call this print abc here without any parameters. So let me just run this program, and we can access it because this variable is available globally even without using anything inside here. So if I were to define it again as in abc equal to word file, right? And I again do abc, instead I use global abc and print out abc, right? Let's run this once. So you're getting a standard error. Why? Because syntax error, abc is used prior to global declaration, so we can only declare it once inside the function. Also there is an interesting point to note that you can have a function inside of a function. So print def, right? Now if I use a def is equals to text file to print def. Now let me just call this function once, and here I have called it, and let me run this program again. So what is happening is basically it would print out word file here after this function is called, and this is when print abc is called, and after that it will print out text file too, because we are calling this print def function, and therefore we have these two outputs. But can I access the value of a function that I have inside a function outside? So let me just check that once. So if I try to print it outside here, so would it work? That is the question, and it doesn't. Why? Because we are getting this error, def is not defined, although we are getting the word file output, because this is done first, and then when the compiler comes here, it notices like def is not available outside the scope of this function. Even though this function is like nested inside print abc, the value def is not available outside. So it is important to note like the scope inside python also depends on like the function it is in. So this indentation really matters. So if you are defining any values inside this function, they would only be available inside this function, even though this function is nested inside another function. So this is something I wanted to take up in this video, and that is all the points. As in, we saw how local scope works. We also saw like how global variables are declared and how global and local variables can be different. Like you can have a global variable like we have abc in this case, and we also have abc in the function itself. So they python basically would consider them differently, even though like they are available in the same file. And if you want to access a global variable inside a function, you need to use the global keyword that we saw in the previous example. And this is it. These are all the points. And the last point that we took up was, can you access a value inside a function from its nested function? So that is not possible because scope matters in Python. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also hit the notification bell icon to be updated whenever we post a new video. You can check out previous videos on the complete Python playlist. Thank you.